Greeting prospective and current Reed students. My name is Sam Fay, and I'm an assistant professor of biology at Reed, and I'm an ecologist. So when I'm not stuck at my house, some of my favorite things to do involve teaching courses about ecology and involving students with my research. So earlier this semester, I can think back fondly about some fun experiences that a course that I was teaching had, where we were able to visit a nearby beaver dam that's housed about a few miles away from campus. And we were also able to visit the white oak savanna, which represents one of the most storied ecosystems in all of Oregon. And when I'm not teaching, I love to involve students in my research program, which generally focuses on understanding how populations and communities both respond to and are shaped by environmental variation. We take a number of different approaches towards our research questions, including spending time in a laboratory setting, such as the one behind me, that focuses on mechanisms. And we are able to create different environmental gradients that allow us to understand how ecology can play out amidst dynamic environments. We also spend time working in a field setting too, to be able to capture the patterns of biology. What is it that actually happens in real ecosystems? And we love working between this continuum between mechanisms and actual patterns. For most of the time, we focus on organisms that live in aquatic ecosystems, such as the ones behind me, including freshwater phytoplankton, these organisms swimming around in lakes, as well as the organisms that consume these freshwater phytoplankton, such as this large herbivore Daphnia, which is behind me. And we also study the predators of these organisms, which are freshwater fish. So we've spent a lot of time focusing on how day-to-day environmental variation impacts organisms and their ecology. And recently, we've started to spend time thinking about what happens during the most extreme periods of environmental variation, and have spent some time studying the causes of and the consequences of large animal die-offs. Why is it that these events are occurring? Are they going to increase in the future? And what are the ecological consequences of these events occurring beyond the target organism that ends up perishing? So I hope that everyone is being safe during this time, and I look forward to meeting you at some point on Reed's campus. Bye.